everyone, my name is Shreya Sanjay Kumar Pandey and I am from Law College Dehradun, Faculty of Untitled University. In this video, I am going to discuss about the federalism in India. So, first of all, what is federalism? Federalism is an Latin word which is derived from the word fidus. Fidus means covenant, pact or a treaty. Federalism is a principle which defines a system wherein the power of the government is divided between the national government and the state government. It is a dual machinery system upon which a government works. The principle follows in this type of system is separation of power. India has adopted the federal form of structure from the US Constitution, but in strict sense, we do not follow the principle of separation of power. Rather, we follow the principle of distribution of power. In India, we have divided the power of central government and the state government. Central government works according to the List 1, Schedule 7, and the state government works according to the List 2, Schedule 7. Now, the nature of federalism. Nature of federalism are of two kinds. First of all, separation of power, and the second is check and balances. First, separation of power. What is separation of power? Separation of power means the power of the central government and the state government is separated. Both work separately. Central government works in the center for the whole of the country, whereas the state government works for the particular state. For example, in India we have 29 states. The state and every state have their own separate government. In India, the central government makes laws from the subject matters which are provided in the List 1, Schedule 7. Article 246 talks about the three lists. First is Union list, second is State list, and the concurrent list, which is the third list. Now, the state government make laws from the state list, the subject matters which are provided in the state list, and the concurrent list. In the concurrent list, both the government, means the central government and the state government, both have power to make the laws. But in case of any conflict arises, the laws made by the central government prevails over the laws made by the state government. But in no case central government have power to make the laws from the subject matter which are provided in the state list. Now, what is check and balances? Check and balances means one organ checks the other organ that it cannot oversees or exceeds its power or limit which is provided to that organ in the constitution. Now, judicial review is example of check and balance. In check and balance, one system means one organ or machinery checks over the other organ so that it do not become the powerful or more powerful so as to acquire all the power, so that the central government do not become the more powerful, then the federal structure of India will be hampered. India will become a unitary and the state government loses its authority.